What's up guys, today we'll talk about Fiverr, and in this video I would like to give you ideas on how to start selling on Fiverr. So if you really want to start make money on Fiverr, you should watch this video till the end. So let me show you first of all gigs. So if we will go to Fiverr, and here we will search in if you will use Fiverr search and enter like video intro. Here we can see suggestions as well. So a lot of people are using creating logo animations, logo intro, YouTube intro and video from Fiverr. So a lot of people are selling same services. As you can see, they all provide uh, animation, logo intro and services what I mentioned already. And most of these people are using copy paste method, so they not creating anything. They simply show you some templates. It's like video templates what you can easily find here, website called InVideo. I'll put a link for registration in video description, so you can easily check this website. So click on the link what I put in video description and you can find such websites. So here you can see pre-made templates, article to video, or you can create your blank template and create video by yourself. So how this looks, for example, it's not for it's like article to video. So you have text and you would like to create video from this text, so you should use these variations. So here are a lot of templates and all these templates are updating, so every time you'll get new video like this. So this is article to video. Let me show you pre-made templates for logo intro, for example. As well, you can see different formats, so, for Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat, and things like that. So as you can see, they cover all social media templates. So here is category, and I will click on intro, outro, and let's see what website will offer me. And as you can see, you can create video ads like bumper ads as well. And yeah, okay, so let's go to intro. So here are some examples already. You can scroll it. This format is for vertical. You can also check for square. Okay, let's check square. Let's click on. Okay, so it's my internet speed is not so good at the moment, but let's anyway. I will try to show you how is how that looks like. Okay, so for example, this logo. You can enter your logo, and this will be how intro on your video, or this one, for example. You can create any type. You can also mention like this, change text from InVideo to your text. There are tons of such intros. So you can use any of these. You can upload them to your YouTube channel, and every time when you are getting order from Fiverr, you can show them your templates. And if people are ready, for example, let's select this template. Just quick demonstration on how to edit it. So here you can see you can edit text. Here are options, video edit. You can click, you can crop, trim, it comes. Here you can change text. So change fonts, styles. Let's change. If you want, you can change here as well any text. So you can change everything. You can move to here. Let's go move next. When ready, click on preview, export, and every time when, for example, you got order from Fiverr and people would like to change text, for example, and every time is well, you do not need to spend a lot of your time creating new video from scratch again. You can save this video to InVideo, and every time people will ask you for something, you can simply change text to your letter, and it's ready to be exported again. So this is how it works like. So and one more thing what I'd like to mention, when you are creating gig on Fiverr, make sure to use keywords what is suggested. So create gig and create different gigs. For example, create separate gig for I will create YouTube intro, then create next gig and call it I will create YouTube intro video, or for example third gig and click on I will create logo intro gig. So like this, and you'll got many gigs for every keyword, and it will be perfect optimized. So make sure to include these keywords in your gig name. And as you can see, there are a lot of people who are doing same. So for example, this guy showing created such logo, and it's also video template. So these all are video templates what I show you already, and all these video templates possible to find here on InVideo. So make sure to check the service and check this out how many orders in queue got this guy, for example. So 11 orders, and basic price is almost 15 euro. So if you will deduct Fiverr price, so in average he will get 130 euro just for completing these orders, and it will take him 1 day to complete such orders. So not bad, I think, especially now when everyone is sitting home without job and things like that. So when creating gig, make sure to enter these keywords in order to optimize your SEO gig. So name your gig. I'll create, for example, video intro and outro. Also include this keyword somewhere in about this gig page. Mention here why people should select exactly your gig. For example, I will deliver it very fast, um, like this. So try to provide good service. Use such service like in video. Use my link in video description in order to register Fiverr. I'll also put link to all this to this page. So visit it. And if any questions about Fiverr, and please comment under this video. Also let me know what kind of gigs you are selling on Fiverr. You can leave your Fiverr profile link, and let's make money together, guys. Have a good day. Bye.